Hi guys, I'm Praveen Kumar from JarvisLabs AI, and in this video I'll teach you guys how to generate images with hidden text and logos using ComfyUI. And this is our default workflow. Let's just clear it. So after clearing it, let's just begin with the basics. We're going to be loading up a model. Load checkpoint. I'm going to be choosing Epic Realism for this tutorial, and I'm running this instance in our JarvisLabs.ai website, and you guys can check us out. Okay, so from here we'll actually load in clips, text encode and text encode. So this is where we will type our negative and positive prompt. So let's just color code them. So the green one will be our positive one and the red one will be our negative one. So yeah, so from here we actually want to load up the control.net model QR code monster to actually hide in the logo or the text which we want to use in our image. So from here we want to actually double click. Let's just type control.net loader. I'm currently using this QR code monster control.net model. I'll link the Hugging Face in the description. So from here you can actually see there's an edge. We'll extend it out and click control.net apply advanced. So we are actually choosing the advanced version because we can adjust the strength and start percentage and end percentage. And from here you guys can see we can attach the positive one and the negative one. So from here we can actually see that there's an image input. You can drag it out, load image, and from here we can choose any image we want, or we can actually upload a file. I'm currently going to choose an Apple logo. I think this is the best way to actually hide a logo or a text with a white background and the subject to be in black in color. So from here we'll actually use K-sampler, negative prompt, and we'll actually link our model and the latent image. Here we're going to drag out a latent image, empty latent image, and let's just say probably I'm going to choose 768 by 768. And yeah, so here we have a latent. Let's decode the latent image, drag it out, VAE decode, and we have to actually attach the VA from here to here, and from this we can actually drag it out and save image. So from here let's just actually go to the positive and negative prompt. We can actually choose, I'm going to type in something random, penguins walking in Antarctica, 4K high quality, and I think that's enough. And here we can just put bad quality, disfiguration, and yeah, now we'll actually queue the prompt and let's wait for our image to load. And yeah, you guys actually can see the Apple logo in there. Let's just regenerate it. And here we have the strength. We can actually modify the strength to our liking. Let me just put, let me increase the strength actually, 1.3. I think 1.3 will do. Yeah, let me just clear the prompt. And yeah, you guys can actually see the Apple logo here. And that's it for this video, guys. We'll come back with more tutorials on our channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.